The first GoPro camera was released in 2004, and since its conception, millions of things have been recorded on it. While most of these are simple clips of people outside cycling or hiking, some of them are a lot more sinister, and show us things that we normally wouldn't get to see without the camera. So that's what we're going to be having a look at today. So here are the 5 scariest things recorded by a GoPro. Number 1. Seeing as GoPros are waterproof, we have been given a lot of footage of people swimming with various different animals, and for the most part, these are interesting but harmless videos. However, that all changes when the animal is incredibly dangerous. In 2017, the official GoPro channel uploaded a video of a man named Johan diving in South Africa. The video starts off normally enough, but around 30 seconds into it, we can see an animal in the distance. This animal turns out to be a great white shark that comes within inches of him, and Johan instantly gets panicked and starts to swim away. We can hear the stress and fear in his voice, and when he finally arrives at the surface, the shark is right beneath him.
White! That's awfully white!
It's amazing and terrifying to witness this shark in such close proximity to the diver. It looks like something straight out of a horror movie, and it's hard to imagine being in a similar situation, but luckily, nobody was hurt, and Johan got out of the water safely. Number 2. In November of 2018, a YouTuber known as Scariest uploaded a video of him in Switzerland hang gliding. Number 3. This video was uploaded in 2017 and shows a man skiing in a mountain range. A few seconds into the video, he attempts to ski on what seems to be the beginning of a hill, but soon realizes that it's actually the edge of a substantial drop. The skier proceeds to fall off a 150-foot cliff. The man checks his camera almost immediately and updates the people watching. He states that his ribs and head hurt a little bit, but apart from that, he left the fall essentially unharmed. This is almost hard to believe because the fall is not only scary to watch, but it appears to be too high of a fall to even survive, let alone leave without a scratch. Fortunately, the snow broke the fall, and the skier can live to tell the tale because of this. Number 4. This footage was taken in 2016 and is of a man named Jacob Childs who is lost at sea. He explains that he has been stranded and left behind and is about 30 nautical miles away from land. While his demeanor and tone is calm, what he is saying in the video is quite concerning. He understands that once the sun goes down, potential rescuers won't be able to find him, and he will more than likely be left to die in the ocean. Later in the day, right before the sun is about to go down, he sees a plane flying a few miles away from him. He assumes that the plane has missed him, but luckily, the plane notices him, and Jacob is rescued and returned home. He later went on to say that he survived because his wetsuit prevented hypothermia, and because he had an emergency marker that allowed the pilot to see Jacob in the dark.
Well, look up there. The sun's going down. So that's it. If the sun goes down, they won't do nothing. That's a wrap on old Jakey, I guess.
It's a creepy video to watch because of how sure Jacob is that he isn't going to make it. But he didn't panic, he remained calm, and did everything that he was supposed to do to ensure his rescue. Number 5. This video was uploaded by a user known as Edge Ninja in 2017. While he is outside of an abandoned factory, he notices what appears to be the fire alarm going off. This is strange for a number of reasons. For one, the alarm is going off in multiple rooms, but there doesn't appear to be any smoke coming from the building. Secondly, the rooms that the alarms are going off in appear to be completely random. And finally, it's hard to tell if this even is an alarm in the first place. Regardless of all of the unanswered questions, it's definitely a creepy visual that stands out because of how strange it is. This video was uploaded around 2 years ago, and as of now, there hasn't been any major updates, so it still remains a mystery.
So I'm here in front of the Leviton factory, which has been closed for some time. I was just going to walk to drop off a Netflix. All of a sudden I see a bunch of flashing lights inside this building. I have confirmed by looking inside that the fire alarm has gone off. I don't know if some kind of drill or some kind of mechanical failure, or if there's an actual fire in there, but it's a little scary. I'm not sure if anyone's in that building right now. I'm not sure if the fire department's gonna come, but it'd be pretty bad if there was a fire in this building because my house isn't that far away. And the lights are flashing in more than one wing of the building.
And that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. I try and make a similar video to this one every week, so if you want to subscribe for that, you can. I'll leave my Instagram and Twitter down below, both of which are DeBurk321. You can follow me over there if you'd like. But like I said, that's all for now. As always, until next time.